Link. The quiet beauty of the morning light touching these ancient walls reminds us of the timeless peace.
The cherry blossoms are truly beautiful this evening.
It is the perfect time to enjoy the festival, especially with the lanterns lighting the path like this. There is nothing quite like a steaming bowl of fresh ramen and perfectly prepared sushi to make for a truly relaxing and satisfying dining experience today. The festival is truly beautiful this evening.
Everything looks so vibrant and full of joy.
The stillness of this place is truly remarkable.
It really is. The way the autumn colors catch the light makes everything feel so peaceful and timeless here.